Okay, so back inside the cab, I'm going to show where the gearbox is. This is the four-way gearbox. There should be bolts in each of these corners, but I've already removed them. So it's easier to get the lid off with one hand. This is a vent here, and back here is a dipstick. And I have oil in there already. There you go. Let's see where the level is. Just put it in so it's very clean. But I'll take that out actually, put that down. Then I'll remove this. Underneath this vent, there's a little corner of steel, so it's not flat. Like you can hear it bumping in. You can see there's a gasket as well. So when you remove this, kind of bring it out the back and just angle it out, and there's the gearbox. So there you have a better look right there. You can see that gear coming in the back. There are two transmission gears. Well, those are actually the gears going to the pumps on each transmission. And then up front, the shaft continues into the main hydraulic pump, which is this blue thing. So this is the right-hand transmission, left-hand transmission. That's the pump, motor, motor. Gives you a little idea what's going on in there. And that's the proper fluid level there is about a 0.7 of a quart, 0.7 quart. And if things are in your way, you can just pull this. This is the high-low rod. And you can just move. If this gets in your way, like for accessing some of those bolts, especially that bolt back in the corner, just pull it back and you can get into it a lot more easily. That's the four-way gearbox on a L35 Vickers transmissions. Okay, so I'm looking from the left side across, about right below that drive sprocket, and you can see that suction line. I need to replace that. This is the suction line, and that's going to get replaced later in the week. But from here I wanted to show, a little hard to see, where the drain plug is for the gearbox. Four-way gearbox, and there it is right there. Right there. There it is. Can't reach it from here and have the camera in my hand, but you can see it's that fairly clean looking piece there. You can just open that up with a crescent wrench and you should get about 0.7 of a quart out of gear oil, and then close it back up. But watch this, because this leaks. You don't want that gearbox running dry.